just give that a shot and experiment with this. So we'll try it again. A little bit less duty cycle, a little bit less aggressive on the proportional integral, a little bit more realistic feedback, or target values, I should say, versus the RPM. So let's see what's going to happen here. Let's do Control L. Good. Let's go here to Control L, let's stop. That tracked almost exactly where we want it to be. So we'll do dyno pull 4 here. Taking a look at the graph here, about 14 pounds, we're building 333 pound-feet of torque and 376 horsepower. So not bad. That's definitely giving us some more control range here. So kind of playing this back and we're looking at it, we're going to be seeing that our base table is showing 18%, and then we're seeing it's going and correcting here to 3% duty cycle all the way up here. So that's okay. I'm okay with letting it correct a little bit. I just don't want to see these massive corrections and then obviously having massive overstep in the boost control. So we have our target here at 14 pounds. That's going to be 4,500 and above. I'm going to go in here right now and bump it up here to something like 18. Let's go and check it at the next highest point here. I'm going to lower this down to probably something like 24% duty cycle, and we'll do V between those two. And then at 28 PSI, I'll go up here and I'll just say maybe 36% duty cycle. I'll just be less aggressive. It's okay to be a little bit under the duty cycle value. We just don't want to be over it and having the PID values go and subtract the boost. I find that that's going to usually make some problems for you. If we see that it's going in and adding a couple percent, that's okay. So let's give this a shot here at 18 PSI. That's about where we were at before. I'm not interested in going any higher than that right now. I just want to get it dialed in so that once we have this set up here, we can go in our mode switch and set up our target values. So it's going to make sense, and we can also do it based on our flex content. So we're going to be going over that as soon as we dial this in. One other thing I want to point out here, our boost-based duty table 2. We can see this based on air temp versus flex content. What I'm actually going to do here at the higher air temperatures, we're probably going to need a little bit more duty cycle. I'm going to put this at something like 3 or 4% duty cycle. We can see we're operating here between 86 and 104. I'm going to go here and hit V. That's going to be adding some more duty cycle into the feedback, into our base table calculation here. So it's going to be truing up the boost control as the air density gets worse and worse. We're going to find that we have less oxygen in the air, and the turbo's going to put out less, so we need to go in and have a little bit more duty cycle. Same's going to go here if we get down to 32 degrees. We'll take out 5% duty cycle, and then going from 68 going downwards, we'll hit V and we'll vertically interpolate. So our dead band of not doing anything here, let's go and commit those changes, is going to be between about 100 to 68 degrees. We're going to be not having any offset modifier with air temperature. We're kind of talking about that. So let's see what's going to happen here at 18 PSI. Let's see if it's going to be controlling. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.